Okay folks, today I'm going to show you this 1970 Plymouth Data Book. This was a dealership album that was used to help sell cars in the 1970 model year. This one is excellent. You'll see more in the pictures, although this video will probably show you more. That is why I decided to make it, because there's just too much in this book to show you. So, pretty palm-size unit. Has lots of information inside, so you can see your tabs show you all Plymouth models, then the Fury, Belvedere, Barracuda / Cuda, Valiant, Duster, and station wagons. And we just flip through and we can see what's going on. So this first one, table of contents, we got specs, all models, so it tells you, air cleaner, air conditioning, yada yada. So we got all that, shows you the available axle ratios for the different models, transmissions for the different models, bumpers, elastomeric. So this just shows you an overall deal. You can see combustion chambers, engines, dimensions, yada yada. Alright, and then page 14 changes, so this is like probably added pages to show you what had been updated. Fuel tank, engine oil. Okay, so lots of pages of that. Then we get to the Fury. You get to see the Fury in all its glory. And you get your specifics for this model, options. It shows you what's available, what's standard, what's not available. And then more options. Anyway, then we get to go to the Belvedere. So the Belvedere is also the Roadrunner and GTX. Sweet. Sport Satellite. Satellite. Roadrunner. And then of course all your available engines, including 426 Hemi. More options, just like we saw with the Fury. Anyway, just in the interest of keeping this video short. And then we got, oh baby, the Cuda. So again, models. We got the Grand Coupe, of course, Barracuda. And then, I don't know why it didn't show us the Cuda. Maybe that was that first page there. Or maybe it's coming. Barracuda engines, so it breaks it down on this one. 383, 440, 446 pack, 426 Hemi. We got performance axle ratios, and they get into it. They show the pistol grip, slapstick, and they really show it all here. Get into the unibody construction, shaker of course, Cuda hood, Cuda exhaust. Just awesome. Standard dash, rally dash. Get your optional steering wheels, sport steering. Just awesome, guys. We get radios. You guys know this one. It's a hard to find unit. Wheels, wheel covers. Then we get into the Valiant / Duster. Very cool. Again, just absolutely awesome condition. No mold or mildew. I haven't seen any writing on any of the pages, which a lot of times these got written on by dealers when things went out of stock, etc., etc. This one looks as close to new old stock as I could imagine. Okay, so we'll get through here just in the interest of time. We have station wagons, which we're going to breeze right over, but it does show you lots of features and different things. Brakes, and then this is the coolest part to me anyway, color and trim. So we get back here and we get to see all of the different optional trim pieces. Here's all the different pieces of trim, guys. Now these are not actual pieces of fabric in this manual. The other manual, that's just the larger manual I have listed, does have actual pieces of trim. But Anyway, very cool. And I think we can go back to colors here at some point. Lots of different types of interior, and then we'll get back to the colors, which are in the back. And the colors, awesome. See a little bit of wear on a couple of these, just because they're old and it's paint, so it gets brittle. But you got silver metallic, ice blue metallic. See big old color chips. I don't know if you can see, but there's actually metallic in there. And we'll see some of the more vibrant colors: blue fire, Jamaica blue. Oh, everyone's going to want to see this one. FC7. Very cool. Rally red. So you can see, even though some of the little parts that stick out are a bit worn just from being the part that sticks out, the rest of the colored chips are awesome, and they're huge. So very, very cool. Alright, Tor Red. I know you guys like that one. Anyway, I'm just going to make sure there's nothing in the very back here. Oh, Citron Mist is pretty worked, guys. Not sure why this one is so worked.